Good afternoon, Mr. Gowan.
How you doing?
You've been here a lot more than you wanted to be lately, but let's talk about this one. This is an odd case where you're alleged to have stolen electricity from Mark Cornish, your neighbor. The way it's charged, there is a theft of utilities, but I think that has to do more with a utility company than with a neighbor. So you're charged with simple larceny, 93 days and or $500. At this point, is there a plea offer, Ms. Stoll?
No, Your Honor.
I don't believe Mr. Gowan owes any money to the court. Do you wish, I'll ask you the same question I asked Mr. Fox. Do you wish me to set this for a jury trial or a bench trial in front of the judge?
Jerry.
All right. Mr. Gibson, I think I've got a date with some jury cases on it for you. One of the problems is we're getting too dense. We got a lot of jury cases backed up and we haven't tried anything yet this year. But right now we're in construction mode, so we haven't done anything in April. And we're gonna, I think May is already full.
Well, I guess the defendant and I could discuss, I guess, I didn't really discuss with him before if he would be willing to waive a jury trial, but I would be willing to have a discussion with him to make sure that that's what he wants to ask for as a jury.
Well, as
trial.
I said, Mr. Fox has been around and he's like, nope, bench trial's all right with me. And I trusted his decision on that. Which is an offhanded compliment to me saying, I just assumed you did it. But as you know, everybody's entitled to a jury trial. So, Mr. Gowan, if you stick around, well, why don't you discuss it now? I would put it on, well, you've got Pontius, and I'm hoping that case is gonna get diverted somehow. Let's see, we got May 20th. Our next available date is May 20th, which has got a couple cases that I think are likely to go. Then we go to June 10th. I think that's Luke Nossinger Gay Day. Yes. We've only got 10 cases set for trial that day, so that'll be good. Be 24. So if we did do a jury trial, it would be June 24th. If he wants a bench trial, we could do it much sooner than that. It would still allow a discussion of potential settlement. So why don't you take a minute, talk with him and make sure what he wants to do.
Yes, thanks.
Luke, do you have some cases that are ready?
This office here,
Are
Judge
both ladies here?
Brianna's here.
Is Samantha here?
Oh,
Oh, they're both here. All right. Well, we probably want to get both lawyers involved.
Sure.
Mr. George was supposed to have one of these. Anybody see him? What?
I haven't, but I've been hiding out.
Hiding out. That conference room's getting dismantled. I took some of the chairs out of there. Who's got Tyler Kern? That would be Mr. George. Do you know anything about that one, Abigail?
I don't, Your Honor.
All right, we'll look for him. And then Mr. Gibson has Samantha Hoff. And Mr. Nossinger has Brianna Hoff. When we set these cases several deep, the hope is that some of the cases will resolve. Otherwise, we're just kicking the can down the road. But right now, we've got more cases set for jury trial and we have jury days in the rest of the year. So hopefully we can resolve some.
Judge, for June 10, I intend to set Mr. Littenberg hopefully with something resolved, and Mr. Shook should resolve. should Ms. Wyrick.
Yeah, I was pretty sure Miss Wyrick would resolve.
Right.
And so we're not doing too bad. But I expect Jonathan Love wants his trial. Well, that's Jordan's. Yeah, we're in pretty good shape as far as you're concerned. Well, they gave me some more paper clips to get me through the rest of the afternoon, a stack of general judgments and some register of actions, and 2 pens and 2 Kleenexes. So I think I can make it through the rest of the afternoon. I only have about 8 paper clips. I hope I make it. They were close to having Judge Patterson's hearing room done. We were up there and we saw them in there, but they've made a lot of progress. Mr. Gowan, come on back up and have a seat.
Thank you.
Mr. Gowan is also someone I've known for a while. Also, I think knows his own mind. Mr. George, what does your client wish to do? I mean, Mr. Gibson.
At this point, I guess I would ask that it stay a jury trial and not be a bench trial.
All right, we'll set it for June 24th. This is an odd set of facts. There's multiple players in here, and somebody said, he said, she said, at least from the affidavit of probable cause. Abby, I'd ask for a witness list, exhibit list. By June 1st. Mr. Gowan, this was out on Schimmel Road. Are you still there?
Yes, sir. That's where I live.
All right, and you get your mail there?
Yes, sir.
All right, you've, as far as I know, always made every court appearance. There is no plea offer. Defendant wants a trial and he's entitled to have one. If you do change your mind and wish to set it for a bench trial, we can discuss that. We can set it. Otherwise, it's set for jury on the 24th of June at 8:30.
Thank you.
All right, you're good to go.
Call me.
In June.
Well, I'll get in touch with you.
No, you need it before June. You need your witness and exhibit list by June 1. All right, now, before you go into
In this courtroom exchange, the judge discusses an unusual case in which Mr. Gowan is accused of stealing electricity from a neighbor, a charge framed as theft of utilities and simple arson, carrying a potential penalty of up to 93 days in jail or a $500 fine. With no plea deal offered, the judge explains the defendant's right to choose between a jury trial and a bench trial, noting that jury trials are heavily backed up due to scheduling issues and ongoing construction delays. Although a bench trial could be scheduled sooner, Mr. Gowan ultimately decides to proceed with a jury trial. The court sets a tentative trial date for June 24th and instructs the defense to submit a witness and exhibit list by June 1st, while also leaving open the possibility of revisiting a bench trial if the defendant changes his mind.